There is no doubt that you want to lose weight or that you are worried about your increasing body fat. That is exactly why you are watching this video. YouTube is flooded with videos about weight loss and reducing belly fat, but today I can look you straight in the eye and say this with complete confidence. This video is completely different. Yes, after extensive research, this kind of information has been carefully gathered for you. I truly believe that by the end of this video, there will be an attractive smile on your face. Have you ever wondered how some people lose weight without looking miserable, without living in the gym, and without obsessing over every calorie they eat? They do not seem trapped in a cycle of constant dieting. They are not starving themselves. They are not chasing every new trend. Yet somehow, the weight begins to move in the right direction. The answer is often simpler than people expect. It is usually not hidden inside a miracle supplement. It is not locked inside a punishing detox. It is not waiting in some complicated meal plan that takes over your entire life. Many times, the answer starts with one powerful shift: protein. Today, we are going to talk about why a protein-focused diet can be one of the smartest approaches for weight loss. Not because it is flashy, not because it sounds exciting, but because it works with the body in a practical way. This is not hype. This is not about unrealistic promises. This is about understanding how the body responds when it is given better building blocks. Because the truth is, weight loss is not only about eating less. Weight loss is about eating in a way that makes eating less feel natural. And that is where protein becomes powerful. The first reason is protein helps calm hunger. This is where many weight loss attempts fail. Most people do not fail because they are lazy. They do not fail because they lack discipline. They fail because they are trying to fight biology every single day. They wake up motivated. They start strong. They eat a tiny breakfast. They promise themselves they will be good today. Then by late morning, hunger arrives. By afternoon, cravings begin. By evening, the kitchen becomes difficult to ignore. And suddenly they believe they have no willpower. But many times, the real problem is not mindset. The real problem is hunger chemistry. When you eat protein, something important happens. You do not just fill your stomach, you often feel satisfied. That is a major difference. Some foods create volume but do not create lasting satisfaction. They spike quickly, digest quickly, and hunger returns quickly. Protein tends to digest more slowly. It can help steady energy. It can help quiet the urge to snack every hour. It can help meals last longer. Imagine two breakfasts. One is a sugary pastry and coffee. The other is eggs, Greek yogurt, or oatmeal paired with a protein source. The first meal may taste good for a moment, but hunger may return quickly. The second meal often creates a very different morning. More stability, less distraction, less thinking about food. That is why protein can make weight loss easier. It reduces friction. When hunger is screaming all day, every decision becomes harder. When hunger is calmer, discipline becomes easier. The real battle is not always against food. The real battle is often against unstable hunger signals. The second reason is protein can naturally reduce total calorie intake. Many people think weight loss must feel like punishment. They imagine calculators, food scales, spreadsheets, and constant restriction. And yes, calories matter, but there's a smarter way to create calorie control. You can choose foods that help you want less. That is where protein shines. Meals built around protein are often more filling. That means many people naturally eat fewer calories later without feeling deprived. This matters because forced restriction usually creates backlash. Someone skips breakfast, eats a tiny lunch, then loses control at night. Someone tries to survive on snacks, then orders takeout because they are exhausted. Someone spends the days being good, then overeats because hunger finally wins. Protein can interrupt that pattern. When lunch contains grilled chicken, fish, tofu, beans, turkey, eggs, or another quality protein source, afternoon cravings may feel smaller. When dinner includes protein and fiber, late-night snacking may become less tempting. When meals satisfy you, random calories often disappear. That is powerful because successful weight loss is rarely about one heroic decision. It is about removing dozens of unnecessary decisions that drain energy. Protein can help reduce the number of moments where you feel out of control around food. This does not mean calories stop mattering. It means protein helps make calorie control more natural. That is a huge difference. The third reason is protein supports metabolism. Now, let us be clear. Protein is not a magic button that melts body fat while you sleep. Anyone promising that is selling fantasy. But protein does have an advantage. The body must use energy to digest, absorb, and process all food. Protein generally requires more effort from the body than carbs or fats. In simple terms, the body may spend a little more energy handling protein. That does not mean miracles happen overnight, but over weeks and months, small advantages matter, especially when combined with walking, strength training, better sleep, and steady eating habits. Think of weight loss like steering a large ship. Tiny corrections matter when repeated consistently. Protein can be one of those useful corrections. It may also help stabilize energy levels for some people, and stable energy matters more than most realize. Because when energy crashes, people often reach for fast calories. Sugar, processed snacks, convenience foods, impulse decisions. When energy feels steadier, decision-making often improves. That is why smart weight loss is not just eat less. Smart weight loss is eat in a way that helps your body function better. And when the body functions better, consistency becomes easier. Consistency is what changes bodies. Not drama, not extremes, not temporary motivation. The fourth reason is protein helps protect muscle during weight loss. This point is massively overlooked. Many people only care about the number on the scale, but the scale does not tell the full story. If someone loses weight too aggressively, they may lose not only fat, but muscle too. That matters because muscle is valuable tissue. Muscle supports movement. Muscle supports strength. Muscle helps the body remain capable and resilient. Muscle also plays an important role in overall metabolic health. So if someone crash diets and becomes smaller but weaker, that is not always a true win. You have probably seen this before. Someone loses weight quickly, they look tired, they feel drained, their strength drops, then the weight returns. Why? Because extreme methods are hard to sustain and poor body composition changes can make rebound easier. Protein helps during weight loss because it gives the body the raw material it needs to maintain lean tissue, especially when paired with resistance training, walking, bodyweight exercise, or an active lifestyle. This means the goal should not only be weigh less, the goal should be lose fat while protecting strength. That is a smarter target. The scale gives data, strength gives quality of life, energy gives quality of life, confidence gives quality of life. Protein can support all three. The fifth reason is protein makes weight loss sustainable. This may be the most important point of all, because the best diet in the world is useless if nobody can stay on it. Many people can suffer for 10 days. Many people can white-knuckle their way through 2 weeks. Many people can survive 1 month of misery. But few people can build a life around suffering. That is why extreme diets fail so often. If a plan keeps you hungry, if it ruins social events, if it makes you tired, if it makes you think about food all day, if it feels like punishment, it usually does not last. Protein-focused eating is often more realistic. It can fit normal life. You can eat eggs for breakfast, Greek yogurt with berries as a snack, chicken salad for lunch, salmon with vegetables for dinner, turkey wraps, bean bowls, cottage cheese, tofu stir-fry, lean steak, lentil soups. There is variety. There is flexibility. There is real food. And when a plan feels like real life, people are more likely to keep doing it. That is where transformation happens. Not in one perfect week, not in one burst of motivation, but in repeated months of reasonable choices. Remember that. The body responds to patterns, not promises. Now let us clear up a common misunderstanding. A protein diet does not mean eating endless shakes and bars. It does not mean turning every meal into bodybuilder culture. It does not mean ignoring carbs or fearing healthy fats. It means balance. It means including a meaningful protein source in meals. It means building a plate that works harder for you. It means combining protein with vegetables, fiber-rich carbs, healthy fats, and hydration. It means reducing ultra-processed foods that make overeating easy. It means creating meals that satisfy instead of tease. That is a mature strategy. Because weight loss is always a system. No single nutrient saves anyone, but some nutrients help more than others. Protein is often one of them. Now imagine two people trying to lose weight. The first person chases trends. Every week, a new rule, no carbs, then only juice, then fasting without structure, then expensive powders, then giving up. The second person keeps things simple. Protein at breakfast, protein at lunch, balanced dinner, walk daily, lift weights twice a week, sleep better, repeat. Who do you think wins after 1 year? Usually the person doing boring basics, because boring basics, repeated long enough, become extraordinary results. That is the part social media rarely celebrates. There's no drama and consistency, but there is power in it. So if you have started and stopped diets many times, if evenings are where you lose control, if cravings feel stronger than motivation, if you are tired of feeling stuck, then maybe the answer is not harsher rules. Maybe the answer is smarter structure. Start with breakfast. Ask one question. Where's the protein? Start with lunch. Ask again. Where's the protein? At dinner, build the plate around quality food, not empty calories. Use snacks strategically. Choose options that satisfy. Think less about perfection. Think more about repeatability, because the body does not reward perfection. The body rewards consistency. And consistency becomes easier when hunger is lower, energy is steadier, and meals actually satisfy you. That is what protein can help create. No starvation, no punishment, no impossible standards, just better decisions made easier. And always remember one thing. Weight loss is not a war against your body. Weight loss is a partnership with your body. When you give it better fuel, it often gives you better signals. When you support it instead of attacking it, progress becomes more realistic. When you respect biology instead of fighting it, momentum begins to build. Slowly, steadily, and in a way that can actually last. So before you chase another trendy plan, before you buy another miracle promise, before you start another Monday that ends by Friday, pause and ask one simple question. Is there enough protein on my plate? Because many times, transformation does not begin with something flashy. It begins with something basic, a stronger breakfast, a smarter lunch, a satisfying dinner, a body that feels supported, and habits that finally become sustainable. That is where real change often starts.